going on, everybody? My name is JT and you're tuned in to The People's Trader, your source for no-nonsense crypto fundamental analysis and technical analysis. If that's the sort of thing that tickles your fancy, then why don't you hit the subscribe button? I do this every single day, except for the days that I don't. So, answering the age-old question, how do I find setups? How do I find coins? How do I know what assets to invest in? So, I'm going to teach you my method, my strategy on to how to pick what looks good and what doesn't. TA is great, but you have to be open to it. Rule number one, don't date it, don't hate it, just trade it. There are so many projects in this space and your opinion does not matter. So get that out of your head, because if other people think that there's value, you need to be of the mindset that you can capitalize on the emotions of other people. Forget your emotions, they don't matter. What matters is the emotion of other people. If other people find value in an asset, that's just it. They find value in an asset. So, knowing that will allow you to get into projects that in your mind you think are shit. And that's okay. In fact, there's nothing easier than taking profits on a coin that you don't believe in. If you wholeheartedly believe in the future of an asset, how the hell are you going to sell it? You don't make money until you sell. So let's go into what it is that I do when I'm building out a TradingView watch list. So let's take a look at TradingView here. So here we are in TradingView, and if you go over to the right hand top corner, we have this tab right here. Okay. This right here is your watch list. So when you make a watch list, what you're gonna do is go down here, you're gonna create new list. Let's just create a new list. We're gonna call it demo, okay? And we're gonna add symbols. So you go to the top, well, I want Bitcoin, BTC USD, and I'm just gonna put it in the Bitstamp, and I want Ethereum, ETH, USD. Okay. And then those are the only two cryptos that I chart in USD. I guess I shouldn't say that. Those are the most common cryptos that I chart in the USD pair. Most other cryptos I chart the Bitcoin pair, because I need to know that what I'm doing is outpacing Bitcoin. Not only that, but the large players in this space, they gave up on the dollar a long time ago. So you want to look at the same charts that the whales are looking at. And the whales don't care about the US dollar. They bought Bitcoin in 2010. You think they care about the US dollar at this point? No, they're looking at the Bitcoin chart. So let's say Cardano, ADA, BTC. Cardano, you add Cardano. Let's just do Ocean because it's here. Ocean BTC, Ocean Protocol, Bitcoin. Okay, now that's a start. But what you need to do more so is you need to go to CoinMarketCap, okay? Go to CoinMarketCap, and basically what you're going to do is you're gonna add all of them. You're gonna add all these coins, okay? Anything that isn't a stable coin, you add it to your watch list. All of them. It'll take you a while, but this is what you have to do. And for me, for my investments, I like to stay above the 300. So I'm gonna load the first 300 coins into the watch list, and I'm not gonna go any deeper than that. Can you find gems past 300? Yeah, but you're not gonna do it strictly off of TA. TA is going to teach you when to make entries. TA is gonna teach you when to exit, but it's not a crystal ball. It's not going to be able to predict that this coin that you found on Uniswap or something is going to be like the next Ethereum. It's just not going to happen. So all of that kind of analysis has to be done fundamentally. So you need to be really, really savvy. You need to understand the fundamentals of the coin in and out if you are going to be investing in something that's under 300, in my opinion. So we can go over to the next page. This is the top 200 here. The next page, let's just pick Dad Coin. Never even heard of it. Let's just take a look. So Dad Coin, what a dumb looking coin. anyways, what you can do from that point is you can go down here, and there are a couple tools that you can use. So the two that I like to use are the ratings and the on-chain analysis. So DAD is ranked 182. Let's see if it has any on-chain analysis. It doesn't. There are a lot that don't. Doesn't matter. Let's go to the ratings. So there are no ratings on DAD coin. So not interested. Let's go with Ethereum Classic. On-chain analysis with Ethereum Classic. It seems overall bearish. The network growth is not good. Concentration is neutral. There are lots of people that are in profits, so maybe they're looking for opportunities to sell. There are no large transactions on here. Let's see what the rating is. So it's got a healthy rating. It's got an A rating, which is not surprising because Ethereum, Ethereum has a fantastic rating. So it's got a C+ rating by Symmetry. It's definitely an investable project. So now you're back at TradingView. You've got your watch list pulled up. You've got all the assets. Let's go to my other one. And you're going to start cycling through the projects. So this one's too new. Let's see what we got here. Satoshi's Vision doesn't look like it has good structure. Moving on. So this one doesn't look bad. What is this? This is Cardano. Yeah. So, it's had this rounded bottom. This is what you're looking for. You want to see a huge mark down, and you want to see that the bottom is rounding, and that you can start seeing that curling up to the upside. So then we would go into CoinMarketCap. We could check the health of the blockchain. So here we are on Cardano. We go to the on-chain analysis. The on-chain analysis looks somewhat bearish. That's not a deal breaker for me. Let's go to the ratings. Rating is really high. So we have an S rating on Cardano. Yeah, it's overall good. So, and that doesn't come as a surprise. There's a lot of people that are quite bullish on Cardano. So seeing that it has a high rating is not a surprise. So then when we can see this structure on the weekly, we're going to go into the daily, and then you would try and see if you could find the Wyckoff box that's inside of this bottoming pattern. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Wyckoff method of trading, I encourage you to join my group. I have a Telegram group with 6 different channels on it. We talk about different topics inside of the crypto space, and we have a team full of traders that are not only willing to help you learn, but also posting many profitable setups and profitable charts that are pertinent to the market right now. So if you are interested in getting involved, there's a 3-day trial. You could follow the link to my Discord down below, and we will get you hooked up into the Telegram group. So from this point on, I would draw on the Wyckoff accumulation box that would be forming inside of this pattern here. So I can see that it's within this trading range right here. I'm not going to draw the box. Email me at thepeoplestrader@gmail.com, and I will send you a free PDF document explaining the Wyckoff method. That it's 100% free. It's yours. But yeah, Cardano, this Wyckoff accumulation box would have shown you that the bottom is in, and that it's safe to invest in Cardano. And we've already had a spectacular move out of Cardano from the bottom of the box. You wouldn't get the actual absolute bottom, but it made a peak of 250%, and from the point of the top of the box to where it is now is still a 50% gain. So you'd be in profit quite easily if you learn to master this technique. So I hope that helps you kind of understand how to find profitable trading setups. It's all about volume, okay? It's being able to do a lot of analysis really, really quickly. So fill up the watch list, then start cycling through the coins looking for bottoming patterns or just really nice levels of support. Then from that point, you can get into the finer details of your TA and couple that with checking the health of the coin on CoinMarketCap. That's as far as I go with my fundamental analysis. I could take deep dives that take several hours into the project, or I can take 5 minutes of analysis and just cross-referencing on CoinMarketCap. It's far more profitable to be looking at as many assets as possible, because if Because what you want to do is you want to learn to trade certain setups. And when the setups aren't in the coins that you like, you can often find them in other coins that you may or may not like. It's about what the community likes. It's about what everybody else likes. It's about where the hype is. Forget about your emotions. Just focus on what the people are looking at and get in and get out. Like I said, it's way easier to sell a project that you're not attached to. Anyways, that is all the time that I have for today. If you enjoyed the content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. If there are any projects that you would like me to take a look at, please leave them in the comments section down below. And until next time, we will see you in the next video. Peace.